Welcome to SketchUp training on How to Design a House in SketchUp, Part 3. Portions of each screen capture have been edited in order to keep the time of each video to a reasonable length. Let's begin by placing some windows. Select the first floor layer. Turn off all other layers, and then enter the first floor component. Go to View, Component Edit, Hide Rest of Model. This will make work a lot easier. Enter the first floor. Measure out where to place the windows. Grab the tape measure. Lay out a reference line at the center of the wall. From that line, lay out a reference line at 3 feet either side of it. Finally, set a reference line 1 foot from the bottom and another 6 feet above it. To create the window opening, draw a rectangle along the layout lines. Then, push the window out until it meets the outside wall. The opening appears in the wall. As you can see, another window opening has been added on the other side of the door. Turn the layers back on so that we can see the rest of the model. I have now added window openings on the front of the second floor. At this point, you may want to add other details like this roof detail. Now it is time to add components. Open up the component window. Go to the search box and type Entry Door. Scroll through the list until you find one that you like, and then click on the picture. Once SketchUp has downloaded the component, place it where you intend it. I now need to move my door to the center of the opening. As you can see, sometimes SketchUp does not want to cooperate, and you have to play around with it. Once you have the door where you want it, take the walls around it and pull them up against the door. Now, check the inside to see how the door looks. Notice that we need to move the door flush to the inside wall. To make the door open in the opposite direction, right-click, flip along, Components Red. This will mirror the component. Clicking on red, green, or blue depends upon the direction that the component is oriented. Let's find a bay window and place that in the model. Now, find a casement window and place that in the model as well. Here we are using the Scale tool, the S key, to modify our window's fit. Simply use the green handles to scale. Holding the Shift key will scale it proportionately. Here we are using the Bucket tool, the B key, from the Materials window, placing a stone texture on the model. To adjust the texture, right-click Texture and As you can see, we have different colored pins. If you don't see these colored pins, hold your Shift key down. Using the green pin will adjust the size and rotate the texture. Here I am adjusting the roof texture by going to the Edit tab in the material. And here's what the front looks like textured. Go ahead, add more components and textures to the model.